Did you know that you were not born doubting yourself? That little voice that keeps on questioning every movement that you take, that keeps on whispering to you that you are not ready, that keeps on telling you that you are not good enough. Are you really aware that that little voice that only you can hear in your head does not really exist always? The little voice in your head that only you can hear was built brick by brick or block by block, moment by moment, from every time that someone tells you that you cannot, from every time that you fail and you did not know how to rise, from every time that you look for validation outside yourself and you're unable to find it. But here is the truth that you have to know, which is self doubt is not a flaw, but rather self doubt is a response. Self doubt is the response to the world that taught you to second guess your instinct, your passion, and your voice. Note that you do not trust yourself because you were trained to trust others more than yourself. You were trained to believe that someone else knew better than you and to silence your guts and follow the script. But deep down of you, you know and you have always known. Did you know that that flicker in your chest when something feels right? The fact is that it is not a coincidence, but that is you trying to come alive. Now, knowing everything that I have told you, the question that you really need to answer is no other question but how do you reclaim your power? You can actually reclaim your full power with these following three steps that I'm going to be sharing with you right now. Step one, get quiet. It is not everything that is loud that really deserves your attention, and that is why you need to turn down the volume on the outside world and tune into what you feel, what you believe, and also what you really want. Step two, start small. Trust is not built in a leap, but trust is rather built in steps. Therefore, make a promise to yourself today and do not end it there. Make sure you fulfill this promise that you've made to yourself. Why? Because a promise is a vow that must be fulfilled. After fulfilling this promise that you've made to yourself, don't end it there. Make another promise, then another promise, and continue making promises to yourself. And make sure that you keep to each and every one of the promises that you've made to yourself. Step three, forgive yourself. Forgive yourself for the times that you really doubted yourself. Forgive yourself for the times that you really delayed in taking action. Why should you forgive yourself? You have to because you did the best you could with what you had. I want you to know that you are not broken, you are not weak, and you are not behind, but rather you are becoming. And the moment you choose to believe in yourself again for just a little, you will begin the most powerful transformation of your life that brings this beauty and new look, which is you will stop surviving through others and start leading. And that is not all because you will stop doubting yourself and start becoming because the real you have been waiting patiently and quietly. Now that you've reclaimed your power, it is time to trust again. Thank you for all your support and encouragement. I really appreciate it from the depth of my heart. I meant it. I am glad this video was really helpful to you. I have other great content in this channel that will be of great value to you. Therefore, I really encourage you to check them out and watch them if you have not. And if you have, thank you for doing that. Have you given this video a like? Have you shared this video? Have you subscribed to Simplicity in Peak channel? If you have done all this, thank you. And if you have not, please do it to support this channel. This channel needs your support to grow. I cannot do it on my own. I need your support. Therefore, please encourage me by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you. I want you to drop your opinion or thoughts concerning this video. And if you have any topic in mind that you want me to create a video on, do not hesitate to also drop it in the comment section. I will see it and create a video on it for the benefit of all. And I will see you well in my next video.